What's up, guys? Welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. On this particular day, I had went grocery shopping and didn't have a chance yet to put everything away, but I wanted to show you guys I got this delicious butternut squash pasta sauce and I paired it with these cute little pumpkin shaped macaronis, and yeah, it was so delicious. I highly recommend it. If you follow me over on Instagram at Steph_L McQueen, you definitely saw all that happen. But once I put everything away, I will move on to my kitchen, which actually isn't even that bad for once. It's a miracle. Like, seriously, this is rare, but I just have to unload it and reload it back up. So let's go ahead and get into this and get started. I hope you guys get up and clean along with me. I was so happy to find these white chocolate baking chips in the Lily's brand that have no added sugar. This is the first time they're finally coming out with like different flavors and stuff like that. So yeah, I was super hyped to find these. This is my first time trying Mrs. Meyers Acorn Spice all-purpose cleaner, and I am loving it. It smells so good. It reminds me of fall, Christmas time. If you like definitely a cinnamon spice scent, then this is definitely the cleaner for you.
Vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold they chat. Honestly amazing, I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know he won't do for you. Yeah, yeah. I know what you wanted. You got it gorgeous. You bad, you're tugging. It's talking me nice. Just ease it up on me. I'm fighting the feeling. I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer. You know where you started. You know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on?
As I told you guys in my last video, I said that I definitely needed to do some carpet cleaning, especially in my high trafficking areas, but that I was totally avoiding it because, well, shampooing your carpet is a big deal and it takes a lot of work. But one of my awesome subscribers was like, hey girl, why don't you just use Resolve carpet cleaner that you just spray, scrub, and vacuum up. And so I'm so thankful for that. I was trying that out in this video. But first I am just vacuuming as it says, and then I will be trying the Resolve carpet cleaner on all of these little high traffic spots that you guys can see.
Show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on? I know what's on the You're ready. You want it for me. Show me you want it. You're ready for it. What are we waiting on? You want it. Are you ready?
The instructions say to spray it on the dirty spots and scrub it in well, and then come back about an hour or two later and vacuum it up and see what it did. So I am doing that. I am moving on to my bedroom now, where I am making my bed and going to be speed cleaning through the mess in my room. The Resolve was definitely taking up the spots immediately as I scrubbed them, which was so nice.